There is an interesting idea on this portion that we read this Shabbos. יצא למלחמה על אויביך, when you go out to war against your enemy, ונתנו השם אלוקיך בידיך. And God will deliver them in your hand. ושבית שביו, you will capture their captivity. Strange language. Shavita, you will capture, bring into captivity, and Shivyo is captivity. So what is going on? So there is an amazing explanation by the Or HaChaim HaKadosh, who says that we speak here about war of the evil inclination, the war against the evil inclination. Right? Try to overcome him from all this, unfortunately, even inclination that he bring into your mind, into your heart, yeah. So this is really the war. So what is the war about? You saw in the war a nice looking woman. No, you liked her, so you got to marry her after the whole process of conversion and so on, it's written. But if you will not like her, so then you should not have bad to her, yeah. Send her home, but in a nice way. So what is the idea of this nice looking woman? Who is this woman? So says Or HaChaim, this is your soul, the neshama, the soul in your body, in your heart, in your mind, the soul have different parts, the 5 parts, like in the voice, part in the brain, part of this. So this is a nice looking woman. So this is what you find in the war. What is the idea? Only in the war you find her. And, you can find her also when you are going to the street or wherever it is. Unfortunately, lots of cases like this. So why? What is in the war? So says Or HaChaim HaKadosh, this nice looking woman is in the Shema, your soul. Your soul that unfortunately was captured by the evil inclination, Yetzer Hara. Yeah, it means that your neshama, your soul, is unfortunately against the powers of the evil forces, Yetzer Hara. They tempt you, yeah, to do all kinds of sins. And no doubt that all these really evil forces are a result of, evil inclination, Yetzer Hara. So it means we speak about the war against your evil inclination, means a war that's trying to destroy or to get rid from all this Yetzer Hara of lust, of unfortunately a lot of different inclinations of Yetzer Hara. So you have to fight against this, just try to change the way. So if you will do it, you will find out that your soul, your beautiful soul, suddenly new ideas, suddenly new inclinations. So, like revealing a new world in yourself, neshama. So, you are doing tshuva, and definitely if this woman, you like it, so you definitely live together, build the house and so on, a Jewish home. If not, send her, but send her in a nice way. No, so, what is going on here? What is the idea? So the idea is amazing. Why? Because somebody like myself, who very much involved in outreach, yeshivot, and so on, could see amazing phenomena the people were so far from Judaism, unfortunately. Even many went to India to meditate there, all the things in that, unfortunately. So when they came to yeshiva, and really were learning properly, learning their life, it means not a small. So then, really, you could clearly see that they changed, another person, like is another person, so nice and gentle and far away from what he was before. You know the famous one, you have the actor Horizar, before what he was, and what he's now, learning in Torah, day and night, became a rabbi, another person completely. Somebody else that really started also in my place, Yeshiva Shalom Arus. I saw him, he came to the yeshiva from the army. He was really, when he saw, he was dealing with, unfortunately, the wounded. And he saw clearly his friend killed, and so decided, must do tshuva, must return, must learn Torah. So he came to the yeshiva which I was studying. Then we had connection, so in his college. But whatever it is, he came, so a nice boy came and went around and found himself a place in yeshiva. Then what happened, him, unbelievable, a man with books, millions of books all over, different languages, Russian, and such important books that we have, the garden, So, one really should know this, because this is exactly what it shows, that people have potential that you will not think about. But when you learn Torah and study properly, the Torah, working on it, then suddenly you find out new being in yourself, new neshama, new soul, nice looking woman, which is a neshama. Okay, there are others, other people that now are so, to call them are different people. You will not believe what they are now, other one, Bates, like Bates, he was studying medicine, but again, he revealed a new word, mainly based on my books, Glazsrson Kodesh, and you see now what he is. He gave me a letter, he gave me a letter which I needed to get some money for my books. So clearly he said that the first one to start Torah with me, before even Torah is not. So it's amazing to see that somebody who works himself and searching in the right way, so he suddenly he says they have a new neshama, a new woman. So it's an amazing idea in this portion. So this is what the Torah says. כי תצא למלחמה על אויביך, when you are going to get in a war, then שבית שביו, you will capture what they capture from you. And the captivity, it is yours, really, שבית שביו. So what he captured from you. So the evil inclination captures from you lots of things. Alright? All the sins and all, unfortunately, things against the Torah. So now becomes very loud. So we finish here. Because the idea, very, very important idea, so that by studying Torah, kibbutz mitzvot, you change yourself completely. So it is important that you learn studying Torah.